So this weekend is solely about Millie. We racked our brains to figure out what we were going to do, and we decided we would go to a small coastal town by the name of Kingscliff. We've booked ourselves a sneaky long weekend, and we're going to spend the whole weekend with a whole heap of little surprises for her.
Where are we going?
To my birthday house.
Come have a look.
Am I in the middle of a dream, guys? This is the best birthday ever.
It's the morning of Millie's celebrations. So her birthday's tomorrow, and today we've got some things planned for her. But they're a surprise, and what we've done, me, Tiago, and the two little ladies are at the park, hanging out, doing our thing, just taking in the world. And then a little bit this afternoon, we're going to take them back. The girls are going to get dressed up, and then we're going to walk them into a bit of a surprise. So let's hope they enjoy that.
The dads just left. They took the girls with them. I think they've gone to the beach, and they've given us, I think it's about 12 o'clock now, and Millie's surprise high tea is meant to be at 2. So they've given us 2 hours to fully set up and prepare food for a high tea. So let's see if we can get this mission accomplished. Thought 2 hours would be plenty of time, but we've just discovered it is a lot harder to prepare something like this when you don't have your own kitchen. I didn't think to bring a brush for the egg wash, so now I'm having to use a teaspoon.
That'll work.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see. This caramel comes from my grandmother, but it's so good, and we asked her for the recipe for it, and when she gave us the recipe, and it's handwritten in this old notebook, it said cook over fire, and we asked her why it says cook over fire, and she said the recipe actually comes from her grandmother, and when she started making it, they cooked over fire. They didn't have stoves, so the recipe's really old.
So caramel tarts, the best caramel tarts, and now we get to make them for Millie. I feel like we're starting a lifetime obsession with this caramel.
Yeah. This is the one recipe we have that is passed down from generation to generation. music, like Disney music.
Great idea. You need to Google princess songs.
So we are, I don't know, what's the time, Katie?
I think it's like 10 to 2.
Okay, we are slowly running out of time. Luckily enough, the boys have got the girls, there's a pool just outside. The boys have got the girls in a pool, and we've just asked them to delay the girls a little bit because we still have things cooking. We still have tea to make.
Princess songs to find.
Princess songs to find, and food still to put out. So we are slowly running out of time.
We've got the girls here in the pool now and counting down the minutes to take them and get them changed. So it's just about killing time, making them think nothing strange is happening, and then we'll take them into the other apartment, get them changed, and we'll show you guys the whole thing. You ready, Phil?
Millie.
You ready to come upstairs?
Yes.
Yeah? Can you come in?
We have a reservation for a Miss Millie Carter.
Really?
Is there a Millie? Oh, Millie! This is for you. It's a princess party. Okay, come in, have a look. Wow. What do you think, Phil? It looks nice. What do you want to start with?
I prefer these.
So we've all seen the spread of food. I just wanted to show what was actually left. We're still not finished, but the plate of fruit barely got touched.